in Venice.
This looks so pretty, and she's even prettier.
Give me your money. Wait, don't run. I can't run too fast.
I was scared his head will hit. Wait, touch the wall, lost your hand.
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Okay.
So I'm not like a pig or something. Princess treatment.
So we are on the gondola. This is a 35-minute ride.
110 euros.
Wow.
You need to stay on the left.
Yeah, I'm trying to ensure that we don't flip.
Yeah, I mean, where else can you be? It's actually so shaky here. We're trying to balance the boat on one side, but you can still feel like the gondola is kind of leaning this way a bit more. I'm actually so close to water right now, but he told us don't put your hand outside the boat because it might be dangerous.
Damn, someone's getting that photo taken. Some cool ass camera.
So cute. I like this.
Tagando, oi! Tagando! Hand inside. Wait, touch the wall, you lost your hand.
Ah!
I'm very scared I'm gonna tip it. Can I ask him? He has a cap, I know. Can you ask him to put on the cap?
Cioè, non hai visto che abbiamo passato Santa Maria Formosa, abbiamo passato Ponte Minic, abbiamo fatto il Ponte delle Ponte Teta.
You go first. Ooh. Oh, good light.
Okay, pause.
Ah, vede come chiede, eh?
Thank you. Ciao.
So where we're staying, the Airbnb, it's a shared space, but it offers a really good balcony and it's really close to the train station as well. It's a very lively street. On the side, it's all like different restaurants. If you go over there, that'll be closer to the train station. And then on this other side, it's more restaurant and all the tourist attraction is over there. From here to go to many tourist attraction, it's like 15 to 20 minutes walk, but I don't find that a problem because in Venice, there are so many bridges. So can you imagine taking our big bag and going all the way down if we choose to live somewhere closer to the center over there? That would be a nightmare. It's a little bit colder than most of the Italian city we've been so far. Venice has always been on my bucket list because I remember when I was in year 4, my teacher was like, because of the global warming, Venice is gonna be underwater after maybe like 30 years. And I got so concerned. I was like, I need to come here before it disappears. And here I am. We are currently in the more center part of the town. The overall vibe is a little bit more relaxing, would you say that?
Yeah, and at the same time less crowded.
Less crowded compared to where we're staying. I feel like where we're staying is very tourist focused. I believe maybe there will be more locals living here. Is that us? In like, what, 60 years? It's funny how I say that's gonna be us in 60 years. We don't even know if Venice will still be here after 60 years. Because if you really look at it, this is like the better part of the city in terms of the water level. Because back where we were, the water level comes all the way up.
Look at the green cards. It's so high up.
Yeah.
So maybe it's a little bit lower than usual right now. The tide is low.
Yeah. But you can see like the water is getting way too close to the coast now.
God, we're trying to keep on this boat.
Isn't it crazy? This is just part of like daily routine, driving boat. It's even crazier that this is already like a very quiet part of Venice and you still see so many boats just passing by. Oh, look at this. They got like a flower over there. Aww. Hello. Look at the birds just chilling. That's literally us in the morning, eh? How do you like Venice so far?
It's pretty good. It's a chilling space. I think it's quite big for what it is. I respect that. The supermarket I went in Venice is actually bigger than any single one I've been in the whole of Europe.
I feel like it's because we never really tried to go into a big one though.
Yeah,
because
but-
we've definitely seen bigger ones.
Yeah, but it's like the general space which people go to, giant.
So would you say Venice is livable?
I mean, the big city is very close, so it is definitely a livable city.
Yeah, but it's really funny because if you want to call an ambulance here, it's gonna come with a boat, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
Police boat, ambulance boat, we see them so often. It's very interesting.
Do you see how that guy's off the leash and the other one's on the leash? You know which one's the naughty one. Streets at night and then look at some ghost stories.
Not interested.
That'd be so fun.
But these are some very narrow, dark alleys. Can you
Imagine nighttime.
Yeah, I was about to say. Like right now, it still looks like chill. But nighttime, imagine. Look at him chucking down the food. Do you want to tell people what you order?
The pesto pasta with chicken.
I don't know what he was expecting, but when the pasta dish came, he was like, oh, where's the chicken? Like, small pieces, that's the chicken. I didn't expect them to just chuck a whole piece of chicken just on top of it. I got this pizza, but he's pretty much vegetarian. He only eats chicken, no other meat. And this is like prosciutto. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna finish the whole thing. Let's see how much I can finish. So I actually finished a pizza, but I left all the crust out, okay? So I'm not like a pig or something. The base is really thin. That's why I can finish all of it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, I agree with you.
I was thinking I wouldn't get that much in Europe. I was thinking I'm gonna get more. Why? Why are you running? Why are you running? I was thinking I'm gonna get more once I go to my next destination. Going back home, I need to start my gym grind. So they have Eiffel Tower here, which is a little bit weird because we're in Venice right now. It's not straight, it leans a little bit. What is this? Pisa Leaning Tower combined with Eiffel Tower. But this shop is really cool.
They even have posters, which like change.
Oh yeah, so it's like this. Dark alley or what? Bro, this alley is completely empty. I'm following you, by the way.
Okay, I'm scared.
I'm gonna touch you. I'm following you home. I'll be robbing you. Give me your money. Give me your money. Give me your money. Wait, don't run. I can't run too fast. Give me your money.
Okay, here's the money. I only have this.
Okay, give me your money.
Okay, take the enjoy. But I don't know the way home now.
It's okay, I have money now. So much money.
Thank you.
So that's shake with peanut and chocolate gelato, and this is hazelnut macaroon. This one is kind of like chocolate, and then inside it has gelato, and I think it's white chocolate pistachio. Very cute. It's so funny because we were talking so much shit about the tour, like spawning in and out, but now we're on the tour.
Yeah, and we're part of the squad. You always become what you hate.
So the tour we're taking today, it's gonna be taking us to Murano and Burano Islands, a little bit far away from Venice. I'm the only one dressing in like skirt, I mean like dress, like short dress, because it's like super hot. But everyone is wearing like jeans and like jacket. Let's sit outside.
Okay. In the sun.
Yes.
The colorful houses look so beautiful. You know,
Yeah.
Murano's the only island that has these colorful houses.
The
And-
reason why the houses are colorful is because this is a fisher town. Coloring the house back in the days makes the fishermen be able to recognize their house a lot easier.
Even when it's foggy and stuff.
Yeah,
Like. And now, even if you want to change the color, you need to talk to the government.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can't just change your house color.
We're here to try the biscuit, and it smells so good.
You can add the one with chocolate, the one with
Good.
Like the texture, it's really, it's not fluffy, it's like,
Starting with the first point of Burano lace. Burano lace that's starting from this kind of design. Only this line is fixed with a machine. So first stitch is this one, is the most strong. So it's more strong stitch, is called gipul.
So I'm currently on this bridge. It's called Tre Ponte. It's the most iconic bridge of Burano. Guys, so this is how I get my photo done. No, that's not a good angle. Yeah. Damn, so cute. Look at him trying his best. And look at him going. Behind us, there are some little shops. It was so windy, the umbrella fell and then fly all the way into the water. And yeah, it's sinking. It's made out
And
of
it's getting-
laces. Now it's all the way at the bottom. Yeah. Kind of sad, because it's that 15 euro umbrella. So how do you like Burano?
Burano.
Burano, yeah. How do you like Burano?
It's pretty. You can probably spend like 2-3 hours here.
I really do love the colorful houses, but I think other than that, there's nothing much here.
Yeah, and the food is very expensive.
Yeah.
Because it's a very little island, so it makes sense.
This is a family business that runs since the 1929. All the objects are handmade. The Burano glass doesn't have machinery.
And we only got just about 40 minutes on the island because other than glass making, this island, it's really chill, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't really offer anything else. So we're just wandering around because yeah, honestly, we don't really know what to do here. And over there, this restaurant has a really cool seating area with glasses just hanging over there. Pretty cool. In about 20 minutes, we'll have to go back to the boat and heading back to Venice. So yesterday morning, we went around Venice for about 2 hours to get our photos done. Before we took the gondola, we actually came to this square. I think it's called San Marco Square. So you see, this is the center of Venice. There's so many different buildings. I believe that's a church. There's a museum over there. And behind me, this is a clock tower. The girl yesterday actually told us it would be really nice if you are able to go all the way up there to just see the overview of Venice City. So we just bought our ticket, which is really good. Something you should know is that you just scan the QR code. You don't really need to pre-book it. I mean, maybe we're just lucky today.
We're just going on top of the clock tower.
You're my clock tower. Did you even hear me?
Yeah.
What did I say?
You're my clock tower. Why am I that tall?
Yes, and you're bronze. Just like the building, tall and bronze, tall, dark, and handsome.
Okay, bro. Let's just see the clock tower.
So I'm on top of the tower right now, and this side you can see that where we were standing. This is more like the city view, and I'll just take you to the other side as well.
This is the north. This is the north.
So that is the east side, and where? Yeah, over here is where we got off the boat. It's a little bit further down there.
What are you eating?
I think that's vinegar, so I'm just trying to add a little bit like sourness to it.
No, I mean like what's on the bread.
So that's tomato, olive, and caper.
Nice.
And the bread is hot for once.
So what are you eating?
Risotto.
Why?
Because I want something fulfilling. I feel like pasta doesn't really fill me up. It filled me up for like the first half an hour, and then after that I start getting hungry.
And what else is inside of it?
Liver.
Ah, nice. For now, I would like to say peace out, bro.